Good day, class. Welcome to our first class on bakery and confectionery. Today, we will be learning what baking is, how it works, and what makes it so special. Are you ready? Let's go. What is baking? Can anyone tell me what happens when we put dough inside an oven? All right. It cooks and turns brown. Now, here is the real definition. Baking is the cooking of food by dry heat in an oven. The oven uses dry air and combines the steam from the food in the oven to cook the food. Let us break that down. The heat in the oven makes the dough, the starch in the food, change form. It also makes the outside turn brown and smell very nice. What makes baked food brown? Let me ask. Have you ever noticed that baked bread or cake turns golden brown when baked? Look at what causes it. It is called caramelization of sugars. That is, what causes our baked food to change color and become brown after being baked is called caramelization of sugars. When sugar gets hot, it melts and changes color. That's what gives our cake, bread, or pie that yummy brown top. Sugar is not just sweet, it changes form during baking. Now, let us talk about fats in baking. Fats like butter, margarine, oil, or vegetable shortening. Fats helps the dough become soft, but too much fat can make your food 1. Spread out too much, 2. Lose shape, 3. Becomes oily. That is why baking is called a science. You must follow the recipe carefully. No guessing. The wrong measurements can spoil everything. All right, this is where we draw the curtain for now. We will be right back. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. In our next class, we will be looking at what is a bakery. See you soon. Good day, class. Welcome to our first class on bakery and confectionery. Today, we will be learning